A fifth of the marks in GCSE Science are for math skills. So it seems kind of mad that most of Year 11 don't even know that or don't know what those math skills are. The first thing that you need to know is that those math skills have to be at an appropriate level. So you're not getting marks for adding up or multiplying. It means that if you're taking the higher tier papers, then those skills have to be ones that would be examined in the foundation tier of GCSE maths. And if you're taking foundation tier, then the math skills have to be things that would be examined in Key Stage 3 of maths. Now, the math skills aren't spread evenly over the papers. 10% of the marks in GCSE biology are for math skills, and then 20% in chemistry and 30% in physics, which I guess kind of makes sense because physics is the mathsier one, right? But they're also not equally distributed between paper 1 and paper 2. So if you get a very calculation heavy paper 1, then paper 2 might have less maths in it. Now, some of these math skills you use all the time and you wouldn't even think about. Most of our data includes figures as decimals, and all the time we repeat experiments and calculate a mean in order to reduce random error. But you might not be expecting standard form to come up in your biology exam. You might not realise that paper 2 of biology almost always includes some probability for genetics. And you could easily get caught out by being asked to calculate the area of a circular bacterial colony or draw a tangent to a graph. So over the next week, before the first GCSE Science exam, make sure that you've had a little look at this list and gone over any math skills that you're not feeling super confident of. I would also watch out for these symbols, the much greater than and much smaller than, because honestly, I don't know a single maths teacher who actually uses those. I'd also spend a bit of time practicing rearranging equations, because if you're going to be given them all in the physics paper, then they've got to test you on them somehow, so rearranging is very likely to come up.